Hello, I'm Nino Gagliano with Finished Basements NJ. Come take a look at this beautiful basement featuring this custom-built wine room. Here in this gym, we created glass French doors to bring a lot of light coming in. So this gym features 2 tray ceilings because there was a beam going across the middle of the gym. Also, there's a bench that hides the sump pump that was located in this room. You could open and close it if needed. Also, there's an elliptical, a bench, and a bike. This gym gives you a great aspect of working out. Here in the wine cellar, the homeowners wanted to encompass their entire collection of wine. The homeowners really wanted to get this sink incorporated into their wine room. This sink actually determined everything on this back wall. Everything was custom made by Fazio with Grand Interiors. He made all the cabinets and the wine racks just to fit perfectly around this sink. This room doubles as a cigar room. It has a dehumidifier and seating for whoever wants to come down here and enjoy a cigar and a glass of wine. Instead of having a solid wall, the homeowners wanted to incorporate 3 glass panels into this room. As you come down the stairs, we created a bench to give the homeowners extra storage. We created an open field to accommodate all the personal touches the homeowners wanted. The basement features this wood laminate floor that goes throughout the whole basement. The open home theater features seating for the whole entire family. A custom TV wall unit made by Frank. And all of the components are hidden behind the barn door. Here in the back of the basement, we incorporated 2 sets of barn doors to hide all the utility space. Here in this half bath, we have a nice marble countertop and tile. This bathroom was supposed to be under the stairs, but we actually moved it under a window to bring in a lot of natural light. Here in the bar, all the woodworking was done by Frank Fazio. This bar includes a wine chiller, a sink, and an ice maker. It also features recessed lighting, a television, and a hidden panel to hide all the electrical wires. We hope you're pumped about this new custom finished basement. Follow us on all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, and we'll hope to see you next time. Thank you.